Hello there, we are happy to see you in this course. In this video, we will start with complete basics, downloading Epic Launcher and Unreal Engine. Navigate to unrealengine.com, click on Get Unreal button, then click on Download Launcher button. Your computer should now download the Epic Games Launcher. Launch the application and install Epic Games Launcher. Once you install Epic Games Launcher, launch the application and create your new account. When your new account is created, you are now able to interact with Epic Games Launcher. Click on Unreal Engine button, Library, and navigate yourself to Engine versions. Click on Plus button and select your version. We recommend downloading the latest one available. Once your new version is added to the list, click Install. When installation is complete, press Launch button to start Unreal Engine. In next videos, we will be teaching you Unreal Engine basics. Therefore, we are happy to see you in next video. Goodbye.